Did you know you can make a lot of money with YouTube without ever showing your face? People are earning up to $10,000 a month or more by automating their YouTube channels using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start your own YouTube channel without being on camera. We'll go through all the important steps from setting up your channel to making money from it. Plus, I'll share an amazing story of someone who made over $110,000 in just 6 months with their Faceless YouTube channel. Stay tuned to learn how you can do it too. Section 1. Understanding YouTube. Automation. YouTube automation means using software tools to help run your YouTube channel without you having to do all the work every day. This way, you don't have to appear in videos yourself, and you can still create a lot of interesting content. This kind of channel is called a faceless channel because viewers don't see the person who made it. The biggest benefit of running a faceless YouTube channel is that you can focus on creating lots of videos on topics that people enjoy, like stories, facts, or motivational talks, without worrying about being in front of the camera. It saves time and lets you manage your channel more easily while reaching lots of viewers around the world. Let's talk about a real success story to show you what's possible with YouTube automation. There's a faceless channel that started just 6 months ago, and it's already making huge money, over $110,000. This channel focuses on motivational and philosophical videos. One of their videos became super popular and got more than 1 million views very quickly. Imagine that, 1 million people watching a video from a brand new channel. This incredible achievement shows that with the right approach and tools, anyone can make a successful YouTube channel that earns a lot of money without having to show their face. This success story is a perfect example of how combining creativity, strategy, and modern technology like AI can turn into a powerful income stream. Section 2. Setting up your YouTube channel. Starting your own YouTube channel is like opening a door to an exciting adventure where you can share cool videos with the world. Here's how to get started. First, go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, find your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A menu will pop up. Here, click on Your Channel. Next, you'll see an option to create a new channel. Click on it, and you're on your way to setting up your own YouTube channel. Now, choosing a good name for your channel is super important because it tells viewers what your videos are about. If you're not sure what to name it, don't worry. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT what kind of videos you want to make, like motivational or philosophical, and it will suggest some cool names for your channel. Pick the one you like best. After picking a name, you'll need a catchy description. This is a few lines about your channel that viewers see when they visit your channel page. Again, you can use AI to help write something that sounds good and tells viewers why they should watch your videos. Lastly, every channel needs a great profile picture because it's like the face of your channel. You can create a neat image without needing to be an artist. Use an AI image generator like DALL-E or Leonardo AI. Just describe what you want, maybe something that fits with your channel's theme, and the AI will make it for you. Choose your favorite image and upload it as your profile picture. And just like that, your YouTube channel is all set up. Section 3. Scripting your content. Imagine your favorite TV show. What makes it so good? A lot of it comes down to the script, which is like the blueprint of a video. It tells what should happen, when it should happen, and what everyone says. A good script makes sure that your videos are interesting and fun to watch. It keeps viewers coming back for more because they enjoyed what they saw and heard. That's why having a great script is super important. It helps you connect with your audience and keeps them engaged from start to finish. Coming up with ideas for your videos can be tricky, but AI can make it a lot easier. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you think of new video topics that people will love. All you need to do is look at what types of videos are already popular on YouTube in your channel's category. Tell ChatGPT about these videos, and it will suggest fresh ideas that are similar but unique. This way, you can create content that is both new and likely to be popular. Once you have your idea, it's time to write your script. Here's how to do it with AI. Open up ChatGPT and give it your video idea. You can ask it to write a draft for your video. ChatGPT can create a whole script that sounds like someone is talking directly to your audience, making your video feel personal and engaging. The script will include everything from what to say at the beginning, how to explain your main points, and how to wrap everything up at the end. You can read through the script and make any changes you think it needs. This way, you ensure that everything sounds just right before you start filming your video. Section 4. Producing the content. One of the coolest parts about making videos is adding your voice, but what if you don't want to record yourself? No problem. You can use AI tools to create voiceovers. These tools can read your script in a clear and friendly voice, just like a real person. All you have to do is choose the voice you like best, maybe one that sounds cheerful or serious, depending on your video's topic. Then, copy your script into the AI tool, and it will create the voiceover for you. It's like having a professional narrator who's ready to help anytime you make a new video. Creating visuals for your video is super important because they help tell your story and keep things interesting. You can use AI to help with this too. AI image and animation tools can turn your ideas into pictures and moving scenes. First, you need to describe what you want to see in your video. For example, if your video is about space, you might want images of planets and stars. Type what you need into the AI tool, and it will generate images and animations for you. You can choose the ones you like best and use them in your video. This makes your video look professional and eye-catching. Section 5. Editing and finalizing. Once you have your voiceover and visuals ready, it's time to put them together into a great video. Editing might sound tough, but it's really just about arranging your video pieces to tell your story the best way. You can use editing software like CapCut, which is user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Start by importing your voiceover and visuals into CapCut. Then, drag and drop them into the timeline where you see the video track. You can cut parts you don't need, move clips around to make the story flow better, and even add some cool transitions to make everything look smooth. Music can set the mood of your video, so choosing the right background music is key. Pick a track that matches the feeling you want your video to convey. If your video is supposed to be upbeat and inspiring, choose a cheerful track. You can find free music online on sites like Pixabay Music. After you pick your music, add it to your video in CapCut. Then, think about visual effects. These can include things like slow motion, fast forward, or color adjustments to make your visuals pop. Add these effects sparingly to enhance important parts of your video without overwhelming your viewers. The last step is adding captions. Captions are important because they help everyone understand your video, even if they can't hear it. CapCut can automatically generate captions for you, or you can type them yourself to make sure they're exactly right. Finally, check your video settings. Make sure the video quality is set to high, like 1080p, and adjust the sound levels so the music doesn't drown out your voiceover. Now your video looks professional and is ready to impress your audience. Section 6. Uploading and optimizing on YouTube. Uploading process. Now that your video is ready, it's time to share it with the world on YouTube. First, sign in to your YouTube account and click on the camera icon with a plus sign, which is usually at the top right of the screen. Select Upload Video from the options. Then, you'll see a page where you can select the file you want to upload. Find the video file on your computer and upload it. As the video uploads, you can start filling in the details like the title, description, and you can also select the audience, whether it's made for kids or not. Optimizing for visibility. To make sure as many people as possible see your video, you need to use good SEO search engine optimization techniques. This means using the right tags and descriptions. Tags are keywords related to your video that help people find your content when they search on YouTube. Think about what words people might type into YouTube to find your video and use those as your tags. For the description, write a clear explanation of what your video is about. Include keywords here too, but make sure it reads naturally. Importance of naming video files effectively. Before you upload your video, another tip is to name your video file with relevant keywords. For example, if your video is about earning $10,000 a month with YouTube automation, name your file something like Earn 10,000 Month YouTube Automation MP4. This might help YouTube understand what your video is about and help it appear in relevant searches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community and stay updated with more amazing content like this.